So I'm going to show you how to make a dahlia out of some construction paper. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to fold the paper halfway this way and then fold it again. And now I want to cut the paper into threes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a roller and just measure. This is 9 inches. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. So I will mark the 3 spot here and the 6 spot here. And if it helps you to cut straight, then go ahead and mark it down here as well. So basically you want to cut along this line. So you'll grab your scissors and just cut along that line. And then you'll cut these as well. So you'll open these up, cut this in half, and cut this in half. We're basically just trying to get a lot of squares. Once you have your stack of squares, what you want to do is you want to glue it so it looks like this. So you can use regular glue, it just takes longer to dry. So I'm using some hot glue here. So I'm just going to put a little glue at the corner. You have to be real careful not to burn yourself, because hot glue will burn you. And basically just make a bunch of these. So I have a bunch of these made, and I'm probably going to have to make, I have 12 of them so far. And then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to cut a circle. So I'm measuring, this is about 4 inches by 4 inches. You can just, if that helps, you can measure it out that way. And then I'm going to cut that out. Oops. So just cut that. And what we really want is a circle, so you can always, you can draw or you can just trim these edges. So that it makes a circle. Doesn't have to be a perfect one. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to be gluing these all the way around. And you want to leave a little space between each one. So for me, I like to just place it out first and see how many I want and how big the gaps are going to be. So it looks like I'm going to use about 8 down here. You want to just have this a little flat here. Put a little glue at the end here. And just glue it down. And then just keep working your way around. Okay, so we've got this down, and then we're going to be flattening this out a little bit and just gluing it like this right on top. And obviously in between. Oops, got a little glue on my hand. Just go all the way around. I have to cut some more squares, so I'm just getting another piece of paper and doing exactly what I did before. So I've gone twice around, and now I'm just going to use the rest of these to fill up the flower, and you really only need just a little glue at the end here as you get closer to the middle, and you're going to have to kind of bend it up like that. You almost bend this. Like that. See if one more will fit here. And that you kind of just have to glue in place. And there you go, your paper dahlia.